Hello there. Today we're talking about prosperity, not just financial, but living a life that feels abundant and fulfilling. If you've ever wondered how to create your pathway to success, this live is for you. I'll bring it down into 3 simple steps so you can start your journey today. Step 1. Define your vision of prosperity. Prosperity looks different for everyone. For some, it's financial freedom. For others, it's having time with family or the ability to travel. Take a moment to ask yourself, what does prosperity mean to you? Write down your vision, be specific. Instead of saying, I want more money, say, I want to earn X amount so I can work less and spend time with loved ones. A clear vision is like a map. It shows you where you are going. Step 2, set goals and take action. Once you have your vision, break it into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if your goal is to build a business, start by researching ideas, creating a plan, and setting a launch date. Small, consistent actions lead to big results over time. The key is to stay focused and avoid distractions. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your vision. And lastly, step 3, embrace a growth mindset. Finally, prosperity isn't just about what you achieve, it's about who you become. A growth mindset means seeing challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. When things get tough, remind yourself why you started. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's books, podcasts, or people who inspire you. And always celebrate your progress, no matter how small it seems. Prosperity is possible for anyone willing to dream big, take action, and keep growing. Start by defining your vision, setting clear goals, and embracing a mindset of growth and abundance. If you're ready to create your pathway to prosperity, drop a star in the comments and let's talk about your vision. I'm here to support you. Until next time, and I'll see you on the other side.